Hey, Donald, want to see a bunch of 8s? Me too. Box number 888. It is 8 by 8 by 8, and it is time to play What's in the Box. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns. I'm so excited for this box. Any and everything down below. Okay, so I'm going to take items out one at a time because there's a few things in here. All right, first off. Wow, that is cool. So this is a PEZ throwing star. So there is the blue. They also have a red, and then to my knowledge, a green and a yellow. They have these little suction cups on them. So you would then throw them at something and then they would stick. So, didn't work. Didn't work. But I'm sure if I threw it harder against a better surface, it may. So, oh, these are really cool. Let me see. There's a patent pending on them. I wonder whatever happened with that patent. But they did imprint PEZ into it, so that is really cool. So there is the set of 4 of the, these really cool throwing stars. All right, let's check out the next item in the box. Oh, wow, that's heavy. It's a box in a box. Oh. Love opening boxes. Oh. This is cool. Oh, wow, is this cool. Yep, so this is a nostalgic alarm clock. I'm getting all nostalgic about this thing. Oh, that is really cool. Oh, wow. Such a cool clock with PEZ girl on it. So cool. I don't even know what to say about it. Yes. Very awesome. Very awesome. Oh, there's more. This box is almost endless. Well, tape's not too bad on this one. Oh, there we go. Can I pull it out? There we go. All right. Let's see. Snowman. Huh. Snowman. Over there. Oh, I like the flashing on the back. So that means this dispenser wasn't used much. When you see that little plastic sticking out the back right there. Right down and through there. See the detail on the hair? Yeah, that's some major detail on that hair. And then the partial cheeks. Metal head spring, IMC 7. It's the big 7. And then you come down here with the 3.4 patent. No made in country. But we do know it's a Hong Kong by the partial cheeks, the detailed hair. Also, if you look at the inner sleeve, how it's real flush down and through here. But the extra flashing on the back, that is really cool. So yeah, this dispenser is about as mint as it can be. The ridges on the hair are really cool. Here, let's pop off the hat. Hat feels good. I mean, you can tell by the feel of the plastic, especially with the fake ones. This one's good. Look at that hair. Really, really cool. Ta-da! All right, let's set him over there, and box just keeps giving. Just doesn't stop. It could, and it eventually will. But as of right now, it has continued. One little bad wolf. And two little bad wolf. That one. And, oh, wait a minute. Bugs Bunny? Maybe? It's everything in the box, though. These are really cool. So when you see the differences, the one on the right, it's an ivory color. The one on the left is a pale, or a real bright white. And both of these dispensers are on IMC2. And they are DBP 818829 stems. So the IMC2 factory, that was in Austria. But these were made for the German market. Therefore, the Deutsch Bundespatent? Deutsch Bundespatent? Correct? Maybe? I think so. But yeah. What a cool haul. What a very cool haul. I want to break that plastic piece on the back. And some throwing stars. Now that was an exciting box. So until next time. Time?